Welcome back. Today we're looking at a potentially loose fuel line. I'm not sure. We're going to check it and find out. But this one seems fine, but this one back here seems a little bit loose. If you can see that, you can kind of... So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull that off, and we're going to bleed the fuel rails. Our little right here where my finger's pointing. So I'm going to take a sock and a rag and see if we can bleed that, and then we can pull that fuel off without spraying down the entire engine bay. This is the theory, and we'll see how it goes here. A little hard to see, and of course its motor's warm. So, but you kind of use the sock just to soak up some of the excess gas, if possible. Not too much room to do that. There we go. If you catch fire, it's not going to be good. Now I think the fuel rail pressure is somewhere around 50 psi, I think. I think it's kind of higher than the LS motors, but I could be wrong there. There we go. I don't know if we're draining the tank or what. Alright. I think we're good there. I should have used a glove. That would have been smart. Alright, so basically empty there. We just want to do that so that when we pull that fuel rail off, it's not super crazy. Alright, I'm going to set the camera up over here. We'll need to use one of our fuel rail pieces. You stick this up, slide it, and it's supposed to pop the fuel rail off. So we will see. And what we're just going to check for is if there are O-rings. I'm just kind of curious if, because I have a gas vapor smell. I don't know what a smell is. A gas vapor smell, and I'm just want to see if this is part of the issue. So we'll see if we can get our. It just seems like it's too. So we're just going to check, see if there's some O-rings missing, and see if we can fix maybe a couple issues here at once. But I can get the crazy thing on first. Well, of course I'm going the wrong way. That will help. Alright. Well, probably. Let's see. I gotta remember how to do that. It's like there's a load of space back here. There we go. Just gonna use the tabs, kind of split it on there. Somehow. Without busting your fuel rail, obviously. Ah, so close. Obviously, I think what I need is those little clamp, more of the clamp style instead of this setup. Those anodized. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So here we go. Seems like it's good. Let's see. Well, I thought that's how I got it off. Let's see. Sometimes you just need to make a jerk. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Now, it looks like to make this easier, so we better go ahead and just do both. Still draining a lot of gas. Well, that was great. I wonder why it's draining so much. Well, we're going to put that back on and let it drip there instead of catching fire. What is wrong with you, dude? I don't know how much gas is this going to flow. I wonder if I got a check valve in the tank. Good grief. That's not stopping. Okay. Undid the gas tank. See if that would help a little bit. Okay, that seems to have helped. Boy, that's wacky. Okay, so I can't really... I guess I can see. It kind of looks like it's supposed to, from what I can tell. Alright, we're going to go ahead and grab the other one off while we're here, just so we can look. Looks like that's fine. I can't see it, but I can feel it. There's a lot of gas in that system. Let's snap this on again. I just don't understand why this one was so loose riding up and down. Get the vent there. There we go. Now we might not have to take the other one off. There you go. I mean, it looks fine in there. All the O-rings seem to be fine. 5/16. What is it called? I don't know. Higby Baylock. I don't know. It seems to be fine, but take this off here. Okay. That way we can see inside better. I mean, it looks fine. So yeah, I mean, there's three O-rings, so I'm kind of thinking that's not, so we might have like a vacuum leak somewhere else, but I don't think this is the issue I was thinking it was. So make sure that's clean. It feels like probably never been off. Alright, so yeah, it just slides up and down, which I don't understand, but I think we're fine. I mean, that one, I don't know. That seems a little bit strange to me. And I don't know, don't know what that is. So we'll put it back where it is. Now we've got all the gas out of the system, so we'll probably need to cycle it a couple times before we just stick the before we just dry crank it. So we'll go ahead and make sure we put our cap back on here. I was thinking about trying to look at the EGR today. We will see about that. That looks like a royal pain to get to. Plus I think there's a gasket that if you do pull it off you have to replace. So I'm not in the mood to replace that today because I'm not ready. So I don't have the parts, I got other stuff to do. So I think that is fine. What we could have done was go ahead and spray some Tri-Flow onto the O-rings, and that might have been a good thing. But so we got our sheeting back where it's supposed to be. Blah blah blah. All right, now we will. I think we'll crank it here and see what it does. Oh, my hands are dirty. Yeah. I'll split back our gas cap. And we will see here if it comes to life. You can hear the fuel pump. It may have primed it already. We're going to go ahead and cycle it one more time though. Alright. Alright, well, get back alive. That's good. Make sure there's no leak. I don't think we damaged anything, but we'll make sure. how you do it. Get your, there's a bunch of these different, this is a cheap Harbor Freight set, and it works. That's the 3/8 there. Then there's quarter, and then that's half, I'm sorry. But anyway, those will make life a lot easier for you. And, so there you go. 198,000 miles on there. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to see where I plugged my EGR here. Oh, I heard it. EGR was acting up a little bit, so we just ran and plugged it. Seems to run decent. The EGR doesn't really give you a lot of issues, per se, with running if it goes bad, but it can be act as a vacuum leak. So, but we ran and plugged it, and it seems to be doing fine. So, thank you all for watching.